Torrance Time Tunnel, 1942. Gun drawer defense lesson. Attack object still mystery. The Great Torrance Air Raid. At 2:36 a.m. on the morning of February 25, 1942, the air raid siren on top of the Torrance fire station blared the red alert. Whistles of the surrounding factories added to the din. According to the Torrance Herald, 30 local searchlights and 3 anti-aircraft barrages punctuated the skies. 24 citizens crowded the shelter under the post office. When the all clear sounded, the only injury was one cow on 220th Street, felled by shrapnel.